of the holiday in the camper van?
The end.
So it was quite a few weeks ago now since we set off on our first mini trip in the van, and while I didn't take much footage while we were away, I've got enough to kind of piece together, along with a few little interview questions with the family. So enjoy this one and let us know what you think down in the comments section below. So we just left and we stopped to pick up a few supplies, like a doormat and a few other bits, but this is the current situation. Are you looking forward to it? But things are really secure, nothing's rattled around, fallen out or anything like that, so that's a plus.
We're on holiday!
What was your favourite thing to have to eat in the van?
Ketchup. Sauce. Mayonnaise.
Well, they're walking down to the barn to get milk. Do you like cows?
No.
It's alright.
They're biting me.
They won't bite you. They only eat grass.
Do they?
Yeah.
Why do they only eat grass?
Because they don't like eating children, they like eating grass. What was your new bed like in the camper van?
Like really comfy and really good.
Was it? Was it tricky to get up into it, or were you okay?
It was a little bit tricky to get it up, and Daddy had to lift me up into it because Daddy hadn't made us on a ladder.
I haven't made the ladder. No, yeah, okay. Go. So the first night was a bit of a learning curve as far as how it was going to work with the girls. I think it went as well as we'd hoped. You know, you've got to try and have your own time in the evening. So we kind of got them to bed, and then we were able to sit at the front of the van and kind of play cards or read or whatever at the same time. There's no divider as such, but the girls, once they're asleep, so it worked pretty well. What was your favourite thing to have to eat in the van?
Pizza. Ice cream.
Do you think the dog had a good time?
Yes.
What did Charlie get up to?
He got to run around. And we're taking him off for a walk.
So what features did you do about the van?
I like sleeping.
Did you like your bed? Because it was different to your bed at home, wasn't it?
And Daddy did the nappy boy. The Daddy doing.
Yes. That was a funny bit when they thought her nappy was on properly. Daddy had tried to put it on while she was in her bed, which was high up. And on the first night, well, first morning, we heard Faith say, "I've just done a wee," and then we saw it spread above us as we lay in our bed. We never moved so quickly. My two best features were fridge and oven. When we go camping and stuff, it's been hard to keep things cool, and with little ones, you know, it's a luxury, shall we say. So that was really important. We had ice cream if we wanted them.
Spielberg doesn't have to put up with this. Right, you need to be quiet. Alright, Eden, you need to talk to the camera. Okay, so.
On where the water was and on sand, and we did sandcastles and we had ice cream. Was it comfy when you slept in your bed?
Oh yes, very comfortable. It was nice having my own duvet and my own pillow. And it didn't get too hot or too cold, did it? Because of the fan. That was really good.
We've been saving this one up, haven't we?
This I want one glass.
It's the campervan chocolate to celebrate our first holiday.
I like drawing.
You like drawing in the van?
Friends at the campsite. What was the best thing when on the first day?
Best thing was reading a book, watching girls play on the play park or on the beach. That was really good fun, wasn't it? Everything we thought we needed to do, Tim hadn't finished everything, so like the pull-out drawers for underneath the bed so we could access clothes and stuff easily. We had to make up our bed every day or try and like pull it out at a weird angle. So that it was good to know that those things that Tim's going to do will actually benefit it so much, and the experience too. Like cupboard doors, to be able to stuff a lot more away in those cupboards when they're on stuff. Pick up too, Mummy.
In and around campsites, the van worked well. It's quite a long van, it's 6.5 meters or so. And we didn't come across many situations other than a few country lanes where, just like any other big vehicle, we had to kind of pick our pull-ins to let people by or vice versa. But apart from that, we didn't struggle anywhere, and things like, you know, just motorway cruising is pretty good in the van. It's a little bit harder than in a car if you're up front trying to talk to the kids in the back. Just the sort of acoustics of it don't work quite as well.
I'm trying to video. The next question is, what was your best thing on the last night?
Oh, what did we do on the last night? I can't remember. We had fish and chips and we went on a walk on the Brecon Beacons, didn't we?
Yeah.
No? No, it wasn't the Brecon Beacons. Obviously we went in Wales, were we? No. But what was it? Dartmoor? Exmoor? Which one? See, my geography is slowly getting there.
We saw ponies and tiny ponies. Yeah.
Where do you want to go next in the camper van?
Cornwall.
Cornwall? What about you, Faith? Where do you want to go?
To America, Africa, Wales,
Where would you like to go in the camper van?
At the beach.
Do you think you took enough pairs of shoes when you went camping?
Yes. Yes.
Do you think you took too many shoes?
Nah.
So hopefully you enjoyed the whole build series when we came to do the van. There's a few more bits to do. Much of what we do from now on is generic woodworking and DIY, but we will be fitting into the van, like the drawers and cupboard doors and units. So that'll be to come up. But apart from that, that's it probably for the van build, but I'm hoping now to use the van more in videos as far as getting away a little bit more anyway, but also integrating it into getting and visiting other construction and DIY projects around the country. So I'm hoping it's going to be our sort of mode of transport and just going to be able to make other things possible. So I'm sticking by its tag that it's going to be our memory maker. We just got to find time to use it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to just keep up to date with the whole thing. There's always plenty going on, and if you want to catch up with DIY, van stuff, family life and all sorts, then tag along. It's great to have you all following us. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll catch you next time.
How can I resist ya? Yes, and the broken party. Bruce is the day we party. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, doesn't show again. My mind, there's so much mixture. Yes, and the broken party.